Coronary steal is diversion of coronary flow from one artery to another. Coronary steal can be either from one coronary territory to another or from a coronary territory to a non-coronary territory. Different such scenarios can be found in literature. Abnormal stress test due to large anomalous vessels supplying a large left atrial myxoma producing coronary steal has been reported. Symptoms and abnormal stress response resolved after resection of the tumor and ligation of the abnormal vessels. Another situation is coronary steal into a coronary cameral fistula connecting a coronary artery branch to the left ventricle. Rupture of a coronary artery aneurysm into the right atrium in a patient with systemic lupus erythematosus and sepsis resulted in inferior wall myocardial infarction due to coronary steal. Angina and positive stress test occurred in a patient with a fistula connecting left anterior descending coronary artery to left superior pulmonary vein. Coronary steal and ischemia can occur due to a patent side branch in left internal mammary artery to coronary artery bypass graft. Coil embolization of the Lima side branch produced relief of coronary steal and ischemia. Multiple coronary microfistulae into the ventricles due to persistent Thebesian veins is another rare cause of coronary steal. These cases are not amenable to any surgical measures but respond to usual anti-anginal medications other than coronary vasodilators. Coronary vasodilators can theoretically worsen the coronary steal phenomenon. Coronary steal can occur in post-CABG patients with the Lima graft if the subclavian gets occluded. A post-CABG patient who had Lima to LAD graft and bilateral carotid artery subclavian graft occlusion presented with non-ST elevation myocardial infarction. The patient was successfully treated with endovascular procedures in the cardiac cath lab. Here are the initial set of references on coronary steal. Here are the remaining references.